Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm gonna talking about solving multi-step equations. For solving multi-step equations you can use any steps as you like, because in the end you will get a result, you will get the same result. بۆ شیکارکردن یان حلکردنی هاوکێشەکانی ئەو هاوکێشانی کە فرهنگاون واتە مالتی ستێپن، تۆ ئەتوانیت هەر ڕێگەیە کە پێت ئاسانە بەلای تۆ ئاسانە توانی بەکاریبێنی، چکە لە کۆتاییە هەمان ئەنجام بەدەست ئێنی توانێ هەر ڕێگەیەک بەکاربێنی. Example number 1, we have 3 multiplied by x minus 400 equal to 900. First, you can multiply this 3 into the bracket like that, 3 times x and then 3 times 400. 3 times x equal to 3x, and then 3 times 400, we have to write subtract 3 times 400 equal to 1200, and then equal to 900. After that we can combining the like terms like 1200 and 900 are like terms. We can solving together. You have to write 300 equal to, and then we have to write 900. We have to change the place of 1200 into the right side. This is minus. When we change its place, this minus become plus 1200, and then we have to add these two numbers. We have to write 3x equal to, we have to add 900 plus 1200. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 2 plus 9 equal to 11. You have to regroup in. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So equal to 2100. After that, we have a multiplication equation. For finding the value of x, we have to divide both sides by 3. Divided by 3. These two 3's are reduced, x stay, and then we have 2100 divided by 3. In this division we have to, or we can write these two zeros, and then 21 divided by 3 equal to 7. So the value of x is 700. Example number 2, we have this equations. First, we can change the place of plus 12 from left side to right side. So you have to write 4 out of 5, 2x minus 3 equal to 4. Plus 12 become minus 12, and then you have to solve these two integer numbers. 4 out of 5, 2x minus 3 equal to, plus times minus equal to minus, so you have to subtract these two numbers. 12 minus 4 equal to 8, and then plus time and then we have to write the sign of the large number. The large number is 12, and 12 is negative. You have to write negative 8. After that we can multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 4 out of 5. The reciprocal of 4 out of 5 is 5 out of 4. So you have to multiply both sides by 5 out of 4. These two fractions are reduced. 2x minus 3 stay. 2x minus 3 equal to, and then we have to multiply this to whole number and fraction. We have to write 1 as a denominator for this 8, and then we have to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 8 times 5 equal to 40. 1 times 4 equal to 4, and then we have to write minus, because minus times plus equal to minus, and then we can divide these two numbers. 40 divided by 4 equal to negative 10 equal to 2x minus 3, and then we have to combine the like terms. The like terms is negative 3 and negative 10, so you have to write 2x equal to negative 10. When we change the place of negative 3, this negative 3 become positive 3, and then we can solve these two numbers. 2x equal to minus times plus equal to minus, so you have to subtract these two numbers. 10 minus 3 equal to 7, and then we have to write the sign of the large number. The large number is 10, and 10 is negative, you have to write negative. After that we have to divide both sides by 2. These two 2's are reduced. X stay. X equal to negative 7 out of 2. Example number 3, we have this equation: 2 out of 5 multiplied by 3 minus 2h equal to 12. First step, we can multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2 out of 5. The reciprocal of 2 out of 5 is 5 out of 2, so we have to multiply both sides by 5 out of 2. 2 out of 5 and 3 minus 2h equal to 12. You have to multiply both sides by 5 out of 2. 5 out of 2. These two fractions are reduced. 3 minus 2h stay equal to, and then we have to multiply these two fractions. We have to write 1 as a denominator for 12, and then 12 times 5 equal to 60, and 1 times 2 equal to 2. And then we can divide these two numbers. 60 divided by 2 equal to 30. 3 minus 2h equal to 30, and then we can combine the like terms. The like terms is 3 and 30 are like terms. We can write minus 2h equal to 30. When we change the place of 3, positive 3 become negative 3, and then we can solve these two numbers. 30 minus 3 equal to 27 equal to, so minus 2h equal to 27. After that we can divide both sides by minus 2. These two negative 2's are reduced. H stay equal to 27 out of 2, so h equal to negative 27 out of 2. After that we have example number 4, minus 2 multiplied by 7 minus m equal to 6. First we can multiply this 2 into the bracket like that: minus 2 times 7, and then minus 2 times minus m. 2 times 7 equal to 14, minus times plus equal to minus, and then 2 times m equal to 2m, minus times minus equal to plus equal to 6. And then we can combine the like terms. The like terms are negative 14 and 6. So you have to write 2m equal to 6. We have to move or change the place of negative 14 to the right side. Negative 14 become positive 14. So 2m equal to 6 plus 14 equal to 20. After that, we have to divide both sides by 2. 2m divided by 2 and 20 divided by 2. These two 2's are reduced. M stay equal to 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. So the value of m is 10. After that, example number 5, we have 4 multiplied by d plus 5 minus 2 equal to 3d plus 1. First step, we can multiply this 4 into the bracket. 4 times d equal to 4d. 4 times 5 equal to 20. And then we have to write plus minus 2 equal to 3d plus 1. After that, this is or they are like terms. 20 minus 2 equal to 18 plus 4d equal to 3d plus 1. After that, we can combine the like terms. The like terms is 4d and 3d. So you have to write 4d. We have to change the place 3d to left side. Positive 3d become negative 3d equal to 1 minus 18. After that, you have to, or we can solve these two terms. 4 minus 3 equal to 1, so these stay, and then 1 minus 18, this one is positive, plus times minus equal to minus, so you have to subtract these two numbers. 18 minus 1 equal to 90, equal to 17, and then we have to write the sign of the large number. The large number is 18, and 18 is negative. We have to write negative 17. So the value of d is equal to negative 17. Example number 6, we have this equation. First step, we can multiply this fraction into the bracket. 1 out of 2 times y equal to 1 out of 2y, and then we have to write minus 1 out of 2 times 4. 1 out of 2 times 4. We have to change this whole number into fraction by writing 1, and then 1 times 4 equal to 4. 2 times 1 equal to 2. Now we can divide 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. So the value of 1 out of 2 times 4 equal to 2. And then we can write plus 3 equal to 5 out of 2 minus. And then we can multiply this 2 into the bracket. 2 times 2 equal to 4y minus 2 times 1 equal to 2. After that, we can solve these two numbers. 1 out of 2y minus times plus equal to minus. So you have to subtract 3 minus 2 equal to 1, and then you have to write the sign of the large number is 3. You have to write plus equal to. After that, 5 out of 2 and 2 or negative 2 are like terms. We can solve together. Five out of 2 minus 2. First, we have to change this whole number into fraction, and then we have minus, so you have to write the least common multiple first for the denominators and then subtract. The least common multiple for 1 and 2 is 2, so you have to multiply this fraction by 2. 5 out of 2 minus. 2 times 2 equal to 4, 2 times 1 equal to 2. After that you have to write 2 as a denominator, and then for numerator 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So we have to write minus 4y and then 1 out of 2. Sorry, I forgot to multiply this sign. So when we multiply this sign, minus times minus equal to plus. So this sign is plus. After that, we have to solve 5 out of 2 plus 2. We have 5 out of 2 plus 2. First we have to write 1 as a denominator, and then the least common multiple for 1 and 2 is 2. You have to multiply this fraction by 2. 5 out of 2 plus 2 times 2 equal to 4 out of 2. After that we have to write 2 as a denominator, and for the numerator 4 plus 5 equal to 9. So equal to 9 out of 2, and then we have plus. After that we can combine the like terms. The like terms is 1 out of 2 y and negative 4y. 1 out of 2 y, negative 4y become positive 4y equal to 9 out of 2, and plus 1 become minus 1. After that we can solve these two like terms. 1 out of 2 plus 4y. We have 1 out of 2 plus 4. You have to change this whole number to fraction, and then the least common multiple for 1 and 2 is 2. You have to multiply this fraction by 2. 1 out of 2 plus 2 times 4 equal to 8. 2 times 1 equal to 2. So 1 plus 8 equal to 9 out of 2. So the value of 1 out of 2 plus 4y equal to 9 out of 2y equal to. After that we can solve these two fraction and whole numbers. 9 out of 2 minus 1, the least common multiple for 1 and 2 is 2. We have to multiply this fraction by 2. 9 out of 2 minus 2 times 1 equal to 2. 2 times 2 equal to 4. 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Out of 2. So 9 out of 2 minus 1 equal to 7 out of 2. After that we have a multiplication equation. 9 out of 2 multiplied by y equal to 7 out of 2. We have to divide both sides by 9 out of 2. These two fractions are reduced, y stay, and then you have to divide these two fractions. 7 out of 2 divided by 9 out of 2. In division we have to write the first fraction without change, 7 out of 2, and change, divide to multiply, and then we have to write the reciprocal of 9 out of 2 is 2 out of 9, and then we can multiply. 7 times 2 equal to 14. 2 times 9 equal to 18. So the value of y is 14 out of 18. Example number 7. You have 1 out of 2 multiplied by 5 minus 2m equal to 7 plus 3m. First step, we can multiply both sides by 2. We have 1 out of 2 multiplied by 5 minus 2m equal to 7 plus 3m. We can multiply both sides by 2. This fraction and this 2 reduce. 5 minus 2m stay, equal to, and then 2 times 7 equal to 14, plus 2 times 3 equal to 6m. After that, we can combine in the like terms. In here we have 5 and 14. Positive 14 become negative 14 equal to 6m, and negative 2m become positive 2m. After that, we can solve 5 minus 14, or plus times minus equal to minus, so you have to subtract these two numbers. 14 minus 5 equal to 9, and then the sign of the large number is minus. We have to write negative 9 equal to 6 plus 2 equal to 8m. After that, we have to divide both sides by 8. This 2 8 are reduced, m stay, equal to negative 9 out of 8. So the value of m equal to negative 9 out of 8. Example number 8, you have this equation. First, you can multiply this 3 into the bracket. 2.4 minus m equal to 3 times m equal to 3m, and 3 times 4 equal to 12. After that, we can combine the like terms. We have 2.4 positive 12 become negative 12 equal to 3m, and negative m become positive m. After that, 3 plus 1 equal to 4m equal to, plus times minus equal to minus, so you have to subtract 12 minus 2.4. We have to write decimal and 0, and then we have to break apart to become 1, and this 0 become 10. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. 1 minus 2 become, we have to break apart 1. 1 become 0, and this 1 become 11. 11 minus 2 equal to 9. So 2.4 minus 12 equal to 9.6, and then the value of the great number is negative. After that, you have to divide both sides by 4. These two 4s are reduced, m stay, and then 9.6 divided by 4 equal to negative 2.4. So the value of m is negative 2.4. After that, we have special equations. How to solve in special equations. Example number 1 is a special equations. First step, we have to, or we can multiply this 3 into the bracket. We have to write 3m minus 5 equal to 3 times m equal to 3m plus 3 times 2 equal to 6. After that, we have to subtract both sides by 3m. So these two 3m's are reduced. In the left side, minus 5 stay, and in the right side 6 stay. So negative 5 is not equal to 6. It means this equations has no solution. Example number 2, we have this equations. First, we have to multiply this 2 into the bracket. 2 times x equal to 2x plus 2 times 2 out of 3. It means 2 times 2 equal to 4 out of 3 equal to 2x plus 4 out of 3. After that, we have to subtract both sides by minus by 2 out of 2x. Subtract 2x and subtract 2x. These two like terms are reduced. In the right or in the left side, 4 out of 3 stay, and in the right side 4 out of 3 stay. So 4 out of 3 equal to 4 out of 3. It means this equation has infinity solution or infinity numbers of solution. Example number 3. First, you have to multiply this 3 into the bracket. 3 times d equal to 3d minus 3 times 1 equal to 3 equal to 6 times 1 out of 2d. It means 6 times 1 equal to 6 out of 2d minus 6 times 1 equal to 6 out of 2. After that, 3d minus 3, we can divide these two numbers. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3d minus 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Now you have to subtract both sides by 3d. These two like terms reduce. In the left side, negative 3 stay. In the right side or at the right side, negative 3 stays. So negative 3 equal to negative 3. It means this equation has infinity numbers of solution. The last example, example number 4. First, we can change the place of positive 2 to the right side. You have to write 8 2 minus x equal to 16. 1 minus 1 out of 2 x, and then we have plus 2 minus 2. These two numbers are reduced, so after that we can multiply 8 into the bracket. 8 times 2 equal to 16 minus 8 times x equal to 8x equal to 16 times 1 equal to 16 minus 16 times 1 out of 2. It means 16 times 1 equal to 16 out of 2x. After that, we can divide these two numbers. 16 minus 8x equal to 16 minus 16 divided by 2 equal to 8x. After that, we have to subtract. After that, we have to plus or add both sides by 8x plus 8x. These two terms are reduced. In the left side 16 stay, and in the right side 16 stay. So 16 equal to 16. It means this equation has infinity numbers of solution.